Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. So let us take the consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 2. Here it is not consecutive integers, it is consecutive odd positive integers. So the difference is 2. So we have taken here the numbers are x and x plus 2. According to the condition, x square plus 2 whole square equal to 290. That is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 290. That is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290 equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 4x minus 286 equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2 we get x square plus 2x minus 143 equal to 0. Here we can take a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 143. b square minus 4ac equal to 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 143. That is equal to 4 plus 572. That is equal to 576. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 576 by 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 24 by 2. Let us split it. We get x equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2 or x equal to minus 2 minus 24 by 2. So we get x equal to 22 by 2 that is equal to 11 or x equal to minus 26 by 2 that is equal to minus 13. That is a negative number we are not considering. So we can take x equal to 11. Therefore the odd positive integers are 11 and 11 plus 2 13. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meters less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of the park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meters. Find its length and breadth. So it is given that there is a rectangular park and it is given the breadth is 3 meters less than its length. So let us take length is x, then breadth is x minus 3. So length is x meter and breadth is x minus 3 meter and there is an isosceles triangle whose base is the breadth of the rectangle. So here the isosceles triangle with the base x minus 3 and height 12 meter. So let us find the area of rectangle and triangle first. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. That is equal to x into x minus 3 that is equal to x square minus 3x meter square. Area of triangle half into base into height. That is equal to half into 12 into x minus 3. 12 and 2 we can cancel. We get that is equal to 6 into x minus 3 that is equal to 6x minus 18 meter square. Then here it is given the area of rectangle is 4 square meters more than the area of isosceles triangle. So we can write x square minus 3x is equal to 4 meters more, that is 6x minus 18 plus 4. Taking the values to left side we get x square minus 3x minus 6x plus 18 minus 4 equal to 0. That is x square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 9, c equal to 14. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 9 square minus 4 into 1 into 14. That is equal to 81 minus 56 that is equal to 25. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 9 plus or minus root of 25 by 2 into 1. That is equal to 9 plus or minus 5 by 2. Let us split it. We get x equal to 9 plus 5 by 2 or x equal to 9 minus 5 by 2. That is x equal to 14 by 2 or x equal to 4 by 2. So we are getting x equal to 7 or x equal to 2. If we are considering x equal to 7, then the length is 7 meter and breadth is 7 minus 3 that is equal to 4 meter. It is possible. If we are taking x equal to 2, then the length is 2 meter and breadth is 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 meter, which is not possible. So, we are not accepting the second condition. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So let us take x be the Rahman's present age. 3 years ago Rahman's age was x minus 3 years. After 5 years Rahman's age will be x plus 5 years. It is given sum of the reciprocals is 1 by 3. So according to the condition 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. To make it a quadratic equation, let us cross multiply it. We get x plus 5 plus x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. That is 2x plus 2 whole divided by x into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5 equal to 1 by 3. That is 2x plus 2 whole divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. That is 2x plus 2 by x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. We need to cross multiply it again. We get 3 into 2x plus 2 equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. That is 6x plus 6 equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. We can take this 6x plus 6 to right side. We get x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Here we have got a quadratic equation. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 21. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 21. That is equal to 16 plus 84, that is equal to 100. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, that is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 100 by 2 into 1, that is equal to 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. Splitting, we get x equal to 4 plus 10 by 2 or x equal to 4 minus 10 by 2, that is x equal to 14 by 2 or x equal to minus 6 by 2, that is x equal to 7 or x equal to minus 3. Second number is a negative one, we cannot take, so we can take x equal to 7, that is Rahman's present age is 7 years. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. So, let us take the mark in maths be x. Total marks it is given 30. So, the marks in English we can take as 30 minus x. And it is saying that had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. So, let us take the new marks in mathematics x plus 2 and new marks in English 30 minus x minus 3, that is equal to 27 minus x. So these two are the new marks in mathematics and English, and it is given the product is 210. So according to the condition, x plus 2 into 27 minus x equal to 210. X into 27 minus x plus 2 into 27 minus x equal to 210. That is 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equal to 210. That is minus x square plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 equal to 0. That is minus x square plus 25x minus 156 equal to 0. Changing the sign, we get x square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. Here we can take a equal to 1, b equal to minus 25 and c equal to 156. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 25 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 156. That is equal to 625 minus 624 equal to 1. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 25 plus or minus root of 1 by 2 into 1. That is equal to 25 plus or minus 1 by 2. Splitting, we get x equal to 25 plus 1 by 2 or x equal to 25 minus 1 by 2. That is x equal to 26 by 2, that is equal to 13, or x equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. Here we have got both values positive, so we can take both values. If we are taking x equal to 12, then the mark in mathematics is 12 and the marks in English is 30 minus 12, that is equal to 18. If x equal to 13, then marks in mathematics is 13 and marks in English is 30 minus 13, that is equal to 17. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So I have drawn here a rectangular field. It is given that the diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So let us take the shorter side be x. Then diagonal is x plus 60 and the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So the longer side is x plus 30. So here this is a right triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. It is base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square. That is x plus 30 whole square plus x square equal to x plus 60 whole square. Here we need to apply the identity a plus b whole square. So we get x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square equal to x square plus 120x plus 3600. Taking all values to left side, we get x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square minus x square minus 120x minus 3600 equal to 0. That is x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 60, c equal to minus 2700. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 60 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2700. That is equal to 3600 plus 10,800. That is equal to 14,400. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 60 plus or minus root of 14,400 by 2 into 1. That is equal to 60 plus or minus 120 by 2. Splitting, we get x equal to 60 plus 120 by 2 or x equal to 60 minus 120 by 2. That is equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90, and here x equal to minus 60 by 2 equal to minus 30. Second value is negative. We cannot consider it. So we can take x equal to 90. Therefore, the shorter side is 90 meter, longer side is 90 plus 30, that is equal to 120 meter, and the diagonal 90 plus 60, that is equal to 150 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.